Section 3, Using Filter Files for Boosting Performance. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how you can take control of solution loading in Visual Studio 2019. In Visual Studio 2019, you can load a solution file without loading projects. This option may be accessed via the UI or from the command line, and it also helps you to set the stage for creating filter files which you can use later on. Let's get started with loading solutions and applying filters to them in Visual Studio 2019. Let's get started with using a filtered solution. There are a couple of different ways that you can go about doing this. One is by going to open a project or solution, and you'll notice that there's a checkbox here that says do not load projects. If we check this and go into a specific solution and open it, you can see that very quickly it's loaded the solution file, but none of the projects associated. If you're interested in loading only a couple projects, you can absolutely do that, leave the rest of them unloaded, and that way you can work on just those projects that you're interested in or need to work on. The other way we can open solutions without opening the associated projects within them is to do so from the command line. To start, we'll find the Visual Studio 2019 developer command prompt. And once this loads, we're going to switch directories into our source repos directory. We'll just take a quick peek. And the directory we're after here is Mart Hotel, let's say 360 backend. Another look and see where the source is. There it is. So we're going to go ahead and go into the source directory. And we're going to change into the backend directory as that's where the solutions are. So we can see here there's several different solutions that we can open. And if we want to call it directly from the command line, we can type in /do not load projects. And we can tell it to open up the services all. And what you'll see is it's loaded the solution file, nice and quick. None of the projects are loaded.